How do you characterise the relationship between Ireland and Russia now?
Well, unfortunately and very regrettably so, we're very much on the bottom of things here, and that is not on our initiative. That is squarely is the result of the policies, anti-Russian policies of the Irish government, which has been following this European Union line in terms of anti-Russian sanctions, attempts to isolate Russia, etc. I don't think that's really the way to handle things. There is a long story about the reasons, the causes, primary causes of Ukrainian conflict, but I'm pretty sure that the Irish government and European governments have played very negative role in that.
You mentioned Ireland's neutrality. How do you view it now, politically and from a defence military point of view?
Well, again, it's something for the Irish people to decide whether they are neutral or otherwise. It's something for the Irish government to decide. Whatever the decision is, it should not be made on false assumptions. And certainly the notion of the Russian threat as a reason for, having a second look on the policy of neutrality is a false assumption. We have to be very realistic. Again, any decision on defense posture, foreign policy is a sovereign decision by Ireland. But again, please be realistic, be forthcoming, and use your common sense.
And you talked about a hostility among Irish leaders, and there's certain rhetoric against Russia. Can you tell me about that?
Well, I wouldn't, of course, try to repeat what has been said in recent years in terms of rhetoric, but I think it's ill-advised. It's not helping things in any way. It's just counterproductive, and I think we have a better idea of what to do with the relations between Ireland and Russia.